All right, guys, it's finally here. Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale. Been waiting for this one for a while. Currently, right now, it's going on for the Inside Track Club members until April 11th, which is Thursday. Then everyone will be able to start to save on Friday, April 12th, all the way through Monday, April 15th. So let's go ahead and check out some of the top deals that they got at the Spring Black Friday sale at Harbor Freight. All right, guys, so if you're looking for some winches, Harbor Freight's got some Badland winches on sale right now during the Spring Black Friday sale. And here's a beast of a winch right here. This is the Apex 12,000 pound winch with the synthetic rope coming in at $499.99, so $100 off on this one. These Apex winches are really nice, great for a full size truck or SUV. Next up, they got the 9500. This is coming in at $289.99. This one's going to have the steel rope, really nice winch by Badlands, 9,500 pound capacity. And then they also have the 5,000. This is the ZXR. So this is going to be your UTV or your ATV winch. This one's coming in at $169.99. Really nice winch there for anybody doing some off-roading. They also got a bunch of deals going on for the compressors. I seen this when I walked in there. It says buy a McGraw 8-gallon or larger compressor and you get a free tool. So those are the free tools that you'll be able to pick up if you purchase one of these McGraw compressors. And they got a wide variety to choose from, which is nice depending on what you need. Now, not sure if this deal is going along with the Spring Black Friday sale because these same compressors are cheaper during the Spring Black Friday sale. So as you guys can see, $149.99 for that same 8-gallon compressor. So I'm not sure during this sale if you're going to be able to get that free tool with this one. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you know if that comes with the free tool during this sale also. Because if it does, that's a pretty cool deal there. They got the Fortress here for $349. This is their top of the line compressor, 175 psi. $349, $50 off on that one, 26 gallon. And I like this one because it's the ultra quiet version of all the compressors they got. So not loud if you got this in a small shop or garage. They also got the McGraws over here. They got the 21 gallon 175. So this is a step down from the Fortress, but still a pretty good compressor. But this is going to be a lot cheaper, $100 cheaper at 249. 21 gallon, so not as big of a compressor. And it's going to be a little bit louder at 80 dBs. So depending if you want to save some money, get a little bit louder compressor, a little bit smaller compressor, but you're going to be saving a little bit more money also. Along with that, they had the Central Pneumatic Spray Gun. Cheapest that I've seen at $8.98. Cheapest before was $9.99. I used to pick these up all the time when I'd be doing painting in my garage, but that's a really good deal. Probably won't find it any cheaper than that. And then they also got the Earthquake XT Impacts marked down to $10 off, down to $89.99. But these are pretty nice air impact wrenches. 1,200 foot-pounds of breakaway torque on these, so pretty nice. And they're kind of compact too, which is cool. Got them in multiple different colors, so you can pick and choose what you want. But $10 off on the XTs. If you guys are in the market for a generator, this would be a good time to check out this sale because they got a few generators, the Predator generators, on sale right now. Depending on what you're looking for, they got the Contractor series right here, the 4375, 3500 continuous watts, coming in at 379. This is going to be your louder, heavier, not as efficient generator, but it'll still do a good job powering your house at 4,375 starting watts, 3,500 continuous watts. If you're looking for something a little bit better, they do have the 5,000 watt generator down here, and this is the inverter generator coming in at $900. So really nice. This is the dual fuel, super quiet. This one's going to run off gas or propane, which is really nice, and it's got a long run time up to I think 18 hours on this at probably like a quarter load, but max load is 5,000 watts, 3,800 watts I think continuous on that one. And then they got the 3,500 watt super quiet inverter generator, $649.99 for that one. And this one's going to give you 3,000 continuous watts. Now, if you're looking for something really light and portable, they've got the 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator for 500 bucks. This one's going to be 1600 watts continuous, but look how small and easily portable this thing is. I've got a few of these, not the Predator style, but other brands, and these are just really nice if you want to take them to a campground or off-grid camping, something like that. Really efficient, lightweight, and not loud at all. So depending on what you guys need, they got a bunch of generators on sale right now. Now this is a nice time-saving tool here. This is the Avani handheld sprayer. Does paint, stain, whatever you need if you're doing a privacy fence, maybe painting your house, painting a project. But these things are super nice to have. Cuts the time in half when you're doing any type of staining or painting. Really lightweight, easy to use. You just plug it in. And with this one, you can use oil-based or water-based paints or stains, doesn't matter. This is well worth the $40 if you got a big project ahead of you and you just want to save some time. There's another really good deal here. Here's the Icon shop stool. Now this thing is pretty nice, coming in at $64.99 during this sale, so huge discount on that. And it comes in 4 different colors, so you don't have to just get the red now. They got 3 other colors that you can pick from, but really nice 19-inch shop stool, really comfortable, built really well. And of course, they got the 3-ton Daytona jag stands. Cheapest price, $27.99. They usually have these prices only during the parking lot sale, but they got it during the spring Black Friday sale this time also. And they also got the 6-ton Daytona jag stands on sale. These are coming in at $59.99. So depending on what you need a 3-ton, you need a 6-ton. You guys can see the size difference there between the two. Those 6-ton ones are heavy duty, really nice jag stands. But if you just need something smaller like the 3-ton, either or, you're getting a pretty good deal on both of those. Along with the jag stands, they got the Daytona low profile jack, 3-ton on sale also, $239.99. So for under 300 bucks, you could get the Daytona 3-ton jack and the 3-ton jack stands, and you'll be ready to work on some cars. Next up, they got some funnels. I actually like these funnels, only 92 cents. I've got a few sets of these, which you can see there's multiple different sizes. And these really come in handy depending on what you're changing fluid, if you're doing some oil changes on, say, small engine or something like that. But 92 cents, not a bad deal. Next up, they got the Earth Auger. This is the Predator, 52cc I think it is. Yep, 2 horsepower gas Earth Auger, 45 foot-pounds of torque. It's got the 6-inch auger bit included. Only $189.99 for this. This also comes in at right around 20 pounds, so it's not extremely heavy or anything. I think this is a 2-cycle also, so you're going to have to mix your oil and gas. Yep, 2-stroke. So Predator Auger Powerhead is what it's called, $189.99. All right, some of you guys might be looking for a deal on a pressure washer. Get some spring cleaning done. They got the Bauer 2300 psi 13 amp pressure washer coming in at $189.99. So pretty nice compact pressure washer. Here's an electric pressure washer, of course. It's not gas. And it's going to come with all the different heads, 15, 25 degree. I think it also even has the turbo nozzle, which is my favorite nozzle to use when I'm doing some cleaning around the house. But there goes all of the included attachments, brushless, and 2300 psi. Alright guys, so here is the US General Series 3 42-inch double bank roller cabinet, $529.99 for this one. So a little discount on that. You can see all the different colors that you can pick. Here they had the green one set up at the store I went to, but these US General, you guys know, these US General toolboxes, tool carts are really nice. Good build quality on these. Really like them. One of these days I'm going to upgrade to some US General for my Huskies that are in my garage. Just waiting for my Huskies to fall apart, which shouldn't be too long. And then over here they got the US General Series 3 56-inch double bank roller cabinet. And this one's going to be $100 off, so all the way down to $799.99. Also multiple colors to choose from for this one, which is nice. But man, like I said, these cabinets are just really nice. One of these days I'm going to upgrade and I'm going to put one of these in my garage. If you're looking for some deals on power tools, they got Bauer buy one get one. So you pick up the 5 amp hour battery and charge it for $89.98, which isn't a bad deal. You can pick one of these tools over here for Bauer, and they got a pretty good selection of tools. Also got a buy one get one going on for Hercules. So this one's gonna be $99.98, 5 amp hour battery and charger, and then you'll be able to pick up one of these free tools. Just like Bauer, Hercules has got a pretty good selection of tools also. Now, if you guys are into welding and you need a new welding helmet, they do got a couple deals going on. They got the titanium for $59.99, so 60 bucks. This is gonna be a 7 square inch auto darkening welding helmet. So pretty nice, but they got a little bit better one. You're gonna spend a little bit more, but they got the Vulcan 10.1 square inch auto darkening helmet coming in at 100 bucks. So this one's gonna be a little bit nicer, but you're gonna spend a little bit more money. So depending on what you need, what your preference is, they got two pretty decent deals going on for the welding helmets. Also, they got some deals going on for the welders. They got the Chicago Electric 125 for $90. Now this is the cheaper, more budget friendly. And then they do got the titanium over here at $134.99. Now this hasn't been the best deal. We've seen it as low as I think $129.99. So it's still a good deal, but just not the best deal. So those two they got going on. For something a little bit better, they do have the titanium 140 amp. This is the multi-process one. So this one's coming in at $400. Another nice welder by Titanium. And if you need a little bit more power, they do have the 200 amp multi-process welder. This one's coming in at 700 bucks. So $100 off on this one. So they got a pretty good selection of welders on sale right now at Harbor Freight. Now this is probably one of the best deals. I'm actually a little jealous because I bought one of these when it was $99, but this is the Franklin 17-foot multitask ladder. They got this all the way down to $95. Cheapest you're going to find a multitask ladder like this one. 300-pound capacity on it, 23 ladders in one, 17-foot max reach. And I love the different configurations that you can put this ladder in. And it even has a scaffolding position, which is awesome. But really useful for doing painting around the house or various projects. And coming in at 95 bucks, you really cannot beat that. If you guys are looking for some lighting, these lights are pretty cool. I got a set of them in my backyard. These are the LED string lights coming in at $18. So these are 24 foot and they are LEDs, so really nice and bright, but not too bright. They put a nice mood around your patio or in your backyard depending on where you might set these up at, but really nice set of lights. Also, they got some work lights on sale. They got the Braun 500 lumen work light for only $18. Really nice pickup there. And then they do have the Braun shop lights. These are the 5500 lumen for only 15 bucks. These are a really good deal. 4-foot linkable shop lights. Really nice. I think you can link up with 8 of the shop lights together on this. You just plug them into each other and then plug one into the wall and you're good to go. You guys are looking for some sawhorses on a budget. These are not a bad deal at $10. These are the 31-inch, 350-pound capacity foldable sawhorses. These are all plastic, but I'll tell you what, guys, I had a set of these for a couple years, and they actually did a pretty good job for the price. So if you're just looking for a budget sawhorses, those are the ones. They also got the plastic ammo case, $294. These are like the storage cases. These are pretty nice. They're not as nice as the steel ones in my opinion, but for the price, for $3, you really can't beat it. And nice storage solution depending on what you want to use them for. You just need to upgrade that storage solution. You're looking to store something really valuable, say some cameras, a nice pistol, something like that. They do have the Apache 3800 case on sale right now for 25 bucks, and it does come in multiple colors. They got the orange, they got the tan, I think it comes in black also, and it is weatherproof, dustproof, impact resistant, built extremely well. And you can customize it. It does have that pick apart foam, so you can pick out the foam that's inside of there and custom fit your camera, maybe some type of electronic, or like I said earlier, if you want to put a pistol in there, something like that. But it's water resistant, all that good stuff. Built really well. You can drop this. It's not going to damage anything that's inside of there. There's a look at the pick foam. You just pick those little squares out, and you can custom fit whatever you want to put in there. It's even got these middle tabs on the side there if you want to stick a couple locks on there just to add some extra security. But these are really nice. Still haven't picked up one of these, but I will eventually. 25 bucks. I might actually pick one up at this sale. Next up is another Hercules product. We got the Hercules 12.5 portable thickness planer. Was $429, coming in at $329, so you got $100 off on this one. So nice discount on the Hercules planer. Alright, if you guys are looking to cut or grind some metal and you don't want to spend a lot of money, they've got the Warrior angle grinder for $9.98, so under $10 on this one. And there's some mixed reviews about this, but I've actually used 2 of these over a 2-year period. The first one only lasted a year, but I did a lot of metal work with it, cutting and grinding some quarter panels on my classic car. And I'm tell you what, it was worth it in my opinion. Only $10. Definitely helped me save a few bucks when I was on a budget, so I'd highly recommend that. But if you guys are looking for something a little bit better and you want to get something that's cordless also, they got the 20-volt Bauer, and this is part of their buy one get one. So if you do the battery, you can pick this up for free. But they got the 20-volt Bauer. It's brushless. It's going to be a little bit better. I still like the corded versions because I feel like they're just a little bit stronger. And they also got the Hercules. This is part of their buy one, get one also. And this is going to be cordless, of course, and brushless. So depending on what you need, you got a few different choices there. You got the Hercules Bauer, both cordless. And then you've got the corded Warrior. We also got a couple impact wrenches by Hercules on sale right now, and this is kind of stupid if you ask me, but they have the high torque for $149, and then they got the ultra torque for $149. So I'm not really sure. Your 1,200 foot-pounds of breakaway torque versus 1,500 foot-pounds. You're definitely going to want to go with the ultra torque if you're paying the same amount of money. So, but I guess if you guys know a reason why you would want to go with the high torque, let me know in the comment section below. Here's a good deal on some cable ties. These are the 11-inch ones coming in at $1.48, and they do have them in black or in white depending on your preference, but always nice to have some cable ties in your shop drawer. They always come in handy. So 100 pieces. There's the black ones there, and then like I said, they do have the white ones also. Only $1.48 for the pack, so not a bad deal. Then last on my list is the Hercules 15 amp miter saw. This one's coming in at $300, so $50 off on this. And they're comparing this to the DeWalt, which is going to run you a little bit more. So if you're looking for a good miter saw, but you want to keep to a budget, this would be a good pick. This one's got the precision LED shadow guide, which is really nice. A look at the cut capacity, so 14-inch horizontal, 7.5-inch crown molding, and 6 3/4 for the baseboard. Guys, so there you go. Those are some of my top picks for the Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale that's currently going on. Like I said, right now it's for the Inside Track Club members, but Friday it's going to start up for everybody and it'll last until Monday. So let me know what you guys might be picking up at this sale in the comment section below. Hopefully you found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.